Hello, hi, I'm Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoos. So today, episode 18, and today the topic is Vitiligo cover-up tattoo. As we done yesterday regarding the scar cover-up tattoos, many of my clients asked me regarding that, and they asked me to tell more about Vitiligo tattoo cover-up. So that's why today the episode is. Let's get into the episode. Before that, if you guys did not subscribe yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and share it with your all tattoo lovers. Okay, so now what is vitiligo? First of all, many of the people we have seen that there is the skin patches used to happen for our body that will lose our skin colors. So what's the science behind it? So let's talk about the science behind about the vitiligo tattoos. First, as we explained in our episode 11, our skin layers having a three chemical reason for our skin tone, that is hemoglobin, keratin as well as melanin. These are all the important things for our skin colors. So when it comes to the vitiligo patches, our skin will start to lose the colors. That's why it will start to give the white color patches around the body. Some people are telling the vitamin deficiency is the reason for that. Some people are telling not lot of enough proteins or some hygiene practices. So not proved particular things were not yet there. So when it comes to the vitiligos, in our body, melanin is the reason for our skin tone. So melanin and hemoglobin and creatine, they will start to lose the colors. So that's the very main important reasons. And when that start to lose the color, our skin is going to be white patch. So that can't able to hold the sun UV rays, because it will be very sensitive. Melanin is the main reason that blocks the UV rays and protect our skin from the sun directs and exposures. Because of that's not there, when the people with the vitiligo, when they go outside, they may start get irritated. And that's how the vitiligo works. Then next come to the treatment. What may happen for the vitiligo? Vitiligo treatment as of now, there are all the treatment to control the vitiligo. But to make and clear the skin, there is no possibilities as of now. They identified it. So the best practice to cover the vitiligo and match the normal skin color is tattoos and the micropigmentation. I can't say completely about tattoos. It's the process of micropigmentation. It's almost similar to tattoos, but it's different. That is the best practice to cover the vitiligo patches. Okay, next, fact number 3, skin color tattoos on the vitiligo. So when we talk about this, the main thing before come for the pigmentation, micropigmentation or tattoos, you need to check your doctors whether that vitiligo stopped spreading or it's going to still more spread is there. Why? Because if that infection is not cured and it's going to spread more, then if we do the micropigmentation or tattoos on top of the vitiligo patch, it will not get covered, it will not get cured. Again, it's going to expand and it will not look good. So make sure get a medication and stop that infection to be spread. Then if you go ahead on the tattoo skin color, that works well. But when we talk about the skin colors, it needs to match your existing skin. That is a very important thing we should see. So you need to choose the very best tattoo artist and most professional one, and they should know the micropigmentation, how to do it, because tattoo processing will be little different comparing to the micropigmentation. Micropigmentation inks are specially made for these kind of permanent makeups. So they need to understand clearly about how this process works. So you need to choose the artist very wisely. Then tattoo designs on top of the vitiligo. Tattoo designs on the top of the vitiligo is perfectly fine, and it's going to be stay on your skin for 100% and the lifelong. So you no need to worry at all if you plan to do the tattoo designs of black color or red color or blue color, some other tattoo designs if you plan to do, you no need to worry at all. It's going to give you awesome output. And when it comes to the micropigmentation, what is the duration of vitiligo patch up? So when it comes to the, as I earlier said, tattoo designs, if you go ahead on the vitiligo patch, you no need to worry at all. It's going to give awesome output till your lifelong. But when you go for the skin colors, there is the chance of fading may happen in the future. You need to do the retouch up, because as per the tattoo process, we are not going to do in the dermis layer. When it comes to the micropigmentations, ink pigment will be very less, as well as we are going to be made it in between the dermis and the epidermis. So the layer of the penetration also will be less. So in this point of view, there is the chance of fading may happen in future. We need to do the sittings of the retouch it up. Then your output will be so perfect. And not only these spots, when it comes to the vitiligo, there are other treatments also there. Like people, they do plastic surgeries, take the skin from the thighs and put it here, but chances of success rate will be just 2 or 3%. So never ever try other stuffs. Tattoos are the best thing to cover it up, but if you plan to go for the tattoo designs, then it's a absolutely best thing to cover the vitiligo patches, and it will give you awesome look also. And so vitiligo cover up, as we all seen, the skin nature is very, very important, and you need to check the infection whether it's stopped or not spreading, and you need to go ahead for the good tattoo artist who knows micropigmentation and well input to give. And when they do the tattoo, it should not damage the skin so much also. The artist needs to be very soft handed. So keep it all in this mind and choose your artist wisely. Don't die nude.